Hi, thanks for watching this video. These are the cutest little gummies by e-frutti, and we're gonna see what they look like if they are mixed up inside some slime. And we're going to make a slime mixture of just regular glue and some Stay-Flo. So now we're gonna get into mixing up our slime. Now we're gonna start adding all of the cute gummies. Something weird is happening. So I'm mixing up the gummies and the slime is getting more liquidy. Maybe I could thicken it up by adding these nerds. Oh no, the slime is really becoming a really big mess. It's just turning into pure liquid. I don't know what went wrong. I'm gonna try one more time to make another slime batch to find out if it was the nerds that made our slime turn into liquid or if it was the gummies. I don't have any extra gummies, so I'm gonna have to take the gummies from the slime that I tried to make earlier. Oh no, the same thing is happening. I can feel the slime is getting more watery and watery. Oh no, what will I do? I don't want to throw this away. I guess I can try to turn this into Play-Doh. I'll need flour and oil. And I'm just going to keep mixing until it turns into a Play-Doh consistency. Now I'm hiding all of the gummies inside of this big Play-Doh ball, so it'll look like a surprise when we rip it open. So here's our Play-Doh, and this Play-Doh only lasted for about 2 days because we had to throw it away. The gummies got pretty slimy, and if you ever made slime with the e-frutti gummies, let us know in the comments because it didn't work out for us. Thanks for watching.